The operation steps for this blues machine. Let engine to be preheat. And turn off it after the engine has been started for 35分钟 use. 2. Open the hood. 3. Remove the high voltage using an endoscope to know about the situation of carbon deposit. Put a ruler in the install position of spark plug. Piston in the middle. 6. Fill 250 milliliters liquid into each cylinder. 7. Insert the tube into the combustion chamber. Connect the blues tube with the car. Connect this with compressed air interface. And the 12-volt battery pack also needs
turn on the power
switch.
switch.
Let it start to
You
work.
can
For
set
cleaning.
the
cleaning cycle time is 15到30分钟 use. C. Start the negative pressure switch and recycle the used liquid. Take the pulse pressure can be start the positive pressure switch. Then the old liquid can be exhausted. 13. Then you can see the gun remove the rest of used liquid. WhatsApp A18606887942万 K